Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna review the Ordinary's Argireline solution 10%. And yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So coming to the product, this is the Ordinary's Argireline solution 10%, and you will get 30 ml of the product for rupees 1000, and I bought it from Nykaa. And yes, it is expensive, but trust me, for the longest time ever, since I have heard about this product, I was really willing to try this one out, and it wasn't available in India. But as soon as it was launched by Nykaa, I bought it, and I'm actually impressed. And as you can see, I have used this much of the product, right? And I have already seen the results. So yes, this is an expensive product, but I actually liked it. So coming to the ingredient of this product, what is Argireline? Okay, Argireline is basically a peptide. And how it works, it actually claims to work on your fine lines, smile lines, wrinkles, and all those things. Okay, because you see, when you talk, when you use your facial muscles, it causes wrinkles. The more facial muscles, the more facial muscle movement are there, the more you are likely to get wrinkles and fine lines, right? So how does this peptide work is, this peptide actually prevents your muscles from contracting. When your muscles will not contract, it will not, you will not get wrinkles or fine lines, right? So this actually prevents your facial muscles from contracting, and that way it helps in reducing your fine lines, wrinkles, and all of those things. And that is why it is known as Botox in a bottle, right? So the thing that it is called Botox in a bottle is actually true, because I'm actually impressed with it. So now let me show you the consistency of the product. So this is how it comes. It comes in a glass, sort of bottle with a pump dropper, and this is how the product looks like. It is actually, very watery in consistency. Like, it is very watery, and it gets absorbed into your skin really well. So let me show you how to use it on your face.
Okay, so this is how I use it. I first wash my face with a gentle cleanser like this one from Simple, and I rub it on my face for like 60 seconds to get rid of any gunk and dust, so that I can get a clean canvas for applying my skincare. Once I have washed my face, I'll go in with my toner, hydrating toner. This is from the brand Beauty of Joseon, and I have been using it for a while now, and I at least apply 3 layers of this product in order to get that maximum hydration on my face, because hydration is the key. And once it's fully absorbed into my skin, as you can see, I will go in with my Argireline solution. I take only 3 drops of this product, and I you know and it covers my entire face, and I tap it into my into my face, under my eyes, around my smile lines, and it has worked wonderfully, for my skin. And I let it absorb into my skin for a while, and after that I go in with my moisturizer. This is the snail mucin cream, which I love the most, and I'll just seal everything in. And this is how I use this Argireline product into my skincare routine, and it has been working amazingly well for me. So yeah.
So now coming to my experience regarding this product, I actually didn't expect it to work that well. Yeah, I was very excited to try this one out, because I have heard a lot of good reviews about this product. And so basically I bought it because I had these under eye fine lines, and I bought it because of that. I really wanted to get rid of those fine lines, but to my surprise, it actually worked on my smile lines. I used to get that deep smile lines, and my makeup used to gather in this area. And to my surprise, after using this product for only 2 weeks, I can see that there is a drastic difference in the fine lines around my mouth area. There's no difference in under my eyes, but there's definitely some difference in my smile line area, and my makeup is not collecting here anymore. I am like very impressed. Okay, I didn't expect it to work that well, but it did. I'm still waiting to see some results under my eyes, but on my smile lines it worked fantastically well, and I'm actually very impressed. And I think, as soon as I'll finish this one bottle, I will definitely see some results under my eyes as well. So I am that impressed with this product. And if you are, suffering from fine lines, wrinkles, and all of those sort of problems, you should definitely try this one out. This is actually a great product. If you want it to work, even more faster, you can, use it with Matrixel. Matrixel 10%, it will work wonderfully. Okay, so yeah, this is actually a very great product and I loved it. I am still using it. I'll use it, or I'll update you once I finish this bottle, but I'm really impressed and I'll definitely, recommend you to buy this product if you have any sort of problems related to fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, this is actually a thumbs up from my side.